Hello everyone. Hello everyone. My name is Vanu Wijaya. Today I want to explain how versus subsets with method make better decision. Concise comparison of two common MCDM method for analysis and manager deciding which technique to apply based on problem complexity, transparency, requirement, and desired discrimination among alternatives. More concept to high level. Simple additive weighting or SAW compute weight sum of normalist criteria, highest total score, preferred alternative, intuitive and direct. Subsets identify positive and negative ideal solution, rank alternative by closeness to ideal, maximize distance from worst geometric distance to best approach. Step by step process SAW. Number 1. Define alternative and criteria. List option and measurable criteria. Number 2. Assign weight. Reflect a relative importance. Some normalist to 1. And number 3. Normalist and weight. Normalist value. AG mean max or factor. Multiply by weight. And number 4. Sum scores and rank. Total weight scores determine ranking choice highest. Step-by-step process subsets. Number 1. Define alternative criteria and weight. Same as starting point as SAW criteria measure and weight. And number 2. Normalize and weight matrix. Use vector normalization, compute weight normalized value. And number 3. Identify ideal and negative ideal. Positive ideal, best value per criteria, negative ideal is worse. And number 4. Compute distance and preference, including distance to ideal, relative closeness score, rank alternative. Key difference quick comparison. Principle SAW additive scoring subsets, distance to ideal worse. Complexity SAW low subsets, moderate additional distance compilation. Discrimination SAW can be coarse subsets better at this similar alternative. And interpretability SAW high transparent subsets into intuitive geometry but more to explain. Normalization and sensitivity consideration. Both methods depend on normalization, and weight SAW is particularly sensitive to the chosen normalization. Min-max versus factor, which can change ranking. Subsets use factor normalization by convention, differing normalization or metric, including versus Manhattan. Alter distance and therefore preference value perform sensitivities analysis, weight and normalization to test stability. Apply example smart for selection. Criteria: price, cost, battery life, camera quality, weight, reflect use, purity, AG battery, 0.4 camera, 0.35 price, or 0 to 25, 0.25. SAW normalize each criterion multiply by weight sum to choose highest total subsets. Compute weight normalized matrix. Find ideal or worst point. Compute distance choose point with highest closeness to ideal. When they prefer each method, just SAW one problem are simple stakeholder need transparent calculation or rapid spreadsheet based scoring is required. Just Topsis when many criteria alternative exist, you need finer discrimination or you want to account for both ideal and worst to case reference point. Practical guidance and best practices. Always normalize consistently and document the method chosen and run sensitivity analysis on weak report stability of ranking. A combined method when useful useful for initial screening taxes for final discrimination, prefer taxes for high stake decision where this distinguishing clause alternative matter. Keep stakeholder transparency, provide intermediate metric and distance score when using taxes. Conclusion and recommended approach. Some faces STs and highly transparent suitable for simple or low risk problem and taxes more computational but better at distinguishing alternative by proximity to ideal and worst case preferred for complex high stake decision. Recommended workflow screen with some final finalize with Thompson and always perform sensitivity analysis and weight and normalization. This hybrid approach balance speed, integrity, and decision quality. See you next end video. Don't forget like and share this video. Bye bye. Thank you.